Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, most fulfilled version of ourselves. Be sure to hit the red button down below, like and share this video too. Thank you. Hi everyone, good morning. It's November 3rd, it's election day. I am here with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
We are here at Ponos Middle School to vote. We are exercising our right, our privilege. You are going with us. We're going on this journey together and see how it's done here in the United States. So here we go. We're going in to the school. By the way, this is Ponos Middle School. This is where my daughter went to school. Lots of great memories on this school. So here we go, walking into the school. There's not a lot of people. It's a nice thing, not a long line like some of my friends are posting on Facebook. Their lines are really long. Here it's not bad. See, there's not a lot, and it's just less than a minute. We're going in. So we're in just like a couple of minutes. Here's my mom trying to start her voting process. Very organized. No complaints at all. A lot of voting areas, confidential. And here's a sample of the ballot. And there are instructions right in front of you. Very easy to follow. And here I am trying to finish my voting, completing. Very easy. Just like 6-7 choices. Here's my mom trying to finish hers as well. She did very well. And here she is, very proud of what she did, voting. And now we're done. I think 7 minutes total, I have to say. I'll say 10 minutes. You know, we kind of stayed in like the area where they gave the voting stuff. We'll go back to our ordinary life, to our own routine and schedule. We have to accept the verdict of the people, the majority. That's what democratic life is all about. You will continue your walk about being a good person, loving others, serving others, and loving God and serving God. That really is what life is all about. That's what matters in the eyes of God. God bless us all, and God bless America. Take care, everybody. Be kind, be loving, be accepting, be strong, be brave, and be inspired.